Just wasted another 30 minutes on Zoom setup. Again.
Sound familiar, fellow video creators? Setting keyframes, one by one manually. Endless anchor point adjustments and redos. Tedious layer cutting that kills your workflow.
Zoom tweaks alone are going to eat up half my day.
Ready to escape this editing nightmare once and for all? The answer lies in just one tool. Click your target on the precision grid. Hit the zoom button. Done. I want to zoom right here. One click and you're locked on target. No more a little left, no wait, right? Frustration. Ever. Silky smooth zoom animations. Your viewers will lean forward and think, whoa, this looks professional. Say goodbye to tedious cutting workflows. Focus on what matters, your creative vision. Needs to be faster. Maybe a bit slower. Instant adjustments with intuitive sliders. See changes in real time. Once you experience Zoomatrix, there's no going back to the old way. The moment your video production changes forever starts right now. Zoomatrix. The Zoom revolution begins.